So today, we're going to be printing 3 samples on Nova: a rigid sample on a glass microscope slide, a flexible sample on PET, and a stretchable sample on TPU. Putting multiple glass slides on one mount allows us to probe and print the 6 slides at the same time, saving time and effort. To print the whole array of slides, we could have mounted each one separately, but that would make designing and aligning the pattern to print harder, as the slides would be in slightly different positions every time they were mounted. So we decided to 3D print a mount made from PLA for the glass slides. This way, they slide in and sit securely in the mount, and the mount can be aligned to the same screw holes every time. The rigid sample consists of a scannable QR code and a pattern for a small board printed with conductive silver ink. The flexible sample is printed on PET, a flexible substrate that is held down using the vacuum table module that only takes a second to mount. The stretchable sample is printed on TPU, again held by the vacuum table module, and is pressed onto a piece of polyester using a t-shirt press. These are just a few of the many ways you can use Nova to explore the world of additive electronics.